Okay, so I have a laser cutter machine over there and tons of extra acrylic plastic. So what I'm going to do is make a little roof for my power washer. I'm going to make a little roof for the proportioner. So you probably can't see it here, but here's a 12 by 24 very thin acrylic. What I'm going to do is make a roof for it, and very simple, very easy. I'm just going to bend it down a little and bend it back down on the back, and just I'm just going to screw it on. So it always helps to have heavy weights around, just so you know. Always helps to have heavy weights around. I got these at a flea market. Got that at a flea market. Not much. Got that online, and got these at a flea market, also a railroad tile. So anyway, I'm going to heat this up, bend it down as a roof, bend that side down as well, put it on. I'm going to have a little roof. I'm going to paint it so the sun, the damaging sun of Oklahoma, the rain and all the rot, the wood rot and all that, will at least kind of, you know, not hit it as much. Here we go. So here is the crude hood I made. Spray paint a little white or something, whatever I have on top. Put this on top of the proportioner. And we have a sun and rain hood to protect this. Something like that. Found this in the garage. Haven't used it in a long time. Why not? Alright, sorry about the air conditioner noise. This was the final product. Not pretty, but functional. Spray painted it green because that's what I had. A little warped. I did try to screw in through this acrylic stuff, but I went a little too fast and cracked it. So put a little whatever silicone gel stuff there to kind of protect it. Anyway, the hot Oklahoma sun, blazing hot. This is hot to touch right now. Is no longer baking my system, and the water will run off, hopefully giving it a couple more years of life. Who knows? Otherwise, my point is I like to keep the sun and the rain off of my stuff. Hopefully these hoses don't get baked and cracked. At some point I will, you know, I can't put it in my garage right now, but I will be at some point. All right, there's my roof. Not pretty.